Welcome to this installment of Battery Chargers with Bill. One of the most common phone calls we receive here at Lester Electrical is customers requesting additional help installing their DC cord set on the brand new Summit 2 chargers. This video will step you through that installation process. The manual describes two different configurations for your Summit 2 chargers. One mode would be a shelf mode where the AC line cord runs to the back of the charger and the DC cord that attaches to your golf cart runs to the front of the charger. In this mode, you can easily place the charger on a shelf and all of the cords required are accessible. The second installation method is for portable or onboard use. In this method, the DC cord is attached and flows out the back side of the charger, and it makes it easier to carry the equipment around to your golf cart for charging. Before beginning the installation, remove all contents from your box. They should include your DC cord set, an AC cord set, your installation accessory kits, a handle, and the charger itself. The next step in the process is identifying the terminal lugs on the back side of your charger. The one closest to the edge is the positive, followed by the negative, and the other screw that you'll ever use on any installation is this number 2 screw, and it's your lockout configuration. For installation of the DC cord set for your EasyGo Powerwise plug, the white wire attaches to battery positive, and the black wire attaches to battery negative. Also, make sure to use the silver clip that's included in your accessory kit to provide strain relief for the cord. The last step of the installation process is to plug your charger into your golf cart. Immediately upon power up, the 3 lights on the front of the charger should turn on for approximately 2 seconds and then turn off. This verifies the proper installation of the DC cord and the charger is ready to use. Thank you for watching this video. Please visit www.lesterelectrical.com to view other informative videos.